This is ScanMan training for warehouse users and mobile device users that want to do an inquiry on an object where the barcode or QR code is visible. When your warehouse starts filling up, you might want to do an inquiry on an item using a barcode scanner in the warehouse or any mobile device. And this training shows you how to do that. This method is using the barcode scanner in the warehouse, or in fact this can be done from any computer even if you don't have a scanner, and I'll show you how to do that soon. So you click on the inquiry option. If it doesn't work, just go back to your default page and then click on inquiry. And here with the barcode scanner, you scan in the barcode number and the information about that barcode will be shown. So across the top is the static information that's currently in the system: serial number, warehouse, the stock code, the description, the quantity, the current bin location where we moved it to earlier, the barcode of this item, which you knew already because you scanned it there, the record date, that is the date the item was entered into the system, and here are some other optional parameters for your business and your warehouse. You have to scroll across to the left and right on the bottom here. This list at the bottom is a transaction history with the record date showing you when the transaction occurred and a small description of what that transaction was. So this item was created by that user on that date, and then at the time of creation the optional fields were edited, and then we did a put away to bin bay 1, and that was the transaction in a previous video. Here across the top you get additional information for statistic purposes. So the new bin is bay 1, the old bin was blank because it was just captured in the system with no bin. Here, if any quantities change, you'll see the transaction quantity. So the 1000 units was created, the new quantity is 1000. Scroll across, the old quantity was 0, so it went from 0 to 1000. It's a transaction quantity of 1000. Here the old quantity was 1000 and the new quantity was also 1000, so no transaction quantity, it was simply a bin movement. This is the person that performed the transaction, and this is in case the warehouse changes, then this will change. This is just generally if any other information changes. This will be here with the field name, so GSM field changed from blank to that. This is if the stock code changes, but the stock code should never change because it will affect other screens. And this is if the stock code description changes. So it was blank and it was typed in there. This movement type can be used for reports. Each transaction has a different number, and we can group those quite easily and put them on reports. So 100 means it's a new item coming into the system, and we can do reports on this. This field tells us if the item is in stock changed. This is just the barcode again. So your inquiry screen can be got to from the scanner. You can also type in the quantity, not the quantity, so you can type in on a normal computer, you can type in the serial number just without all of the leading zeros, and it'll also recognize that and load that. So if I type in a different serial number, 133, you'll see different serial number. So it's an easy way to inquire about an item. This obviously is if you know the serial number of the item you want to inquire. If you don't know the serial number and you want to find items, then we'll need to show you how the reports work. It's the subject of a different topic. This screen here, you can also get to it by scanning the QR code on the top of the barcode. You use your mobile device to scan this QR code on the printed label. That QR code contains this serial number as well as the website address, the public website address of your system. So it will bring you to this page here with a website address in here, and it will show you the same information. So all the QR code does is it contains the full website address that you normally type in, plus this inquiry, plus the serial number that is going to be searched. And you can do that by scanning that with your mobile phone.